so excited to tutor you on how to feature this spooky and Halloween vibe spiderweb nail art at home. Simply come up with the carmine red and deep black, and paired with a dainty spiderweb, instantly taking you into the Halloween cosplay party. When it comes to creating delicate prints, most of you girls probably reach for a liner gel nail art, but it's hard to get a variety of colors on a budget. Check out my profile and build your dip kit with our exclusive base art, allowing you to easily create countless designs in any color using just the dipping system. The most critical part of achieving your nail goal is to start with a finer brush in a small amount of base coat. Too much liquid will prevent you from drawing fine lines and precise shapes, and it could even mess up your design, forcing you to start over again. No need to get upset over minor errors. It's a hack to grab your precision tool to get your spiderweb design more defined and precise effortlessly. The perfect nails take time and patience, but the beautiful nail look will tell you it's worth every minute.